Okay students, we have another two questions regarding anti-logarithm. Okay, this is how the anti-logarithm going to work. On the previous videos, I said before we are going to the entire structure of logarithm, think anti-log as if you change the logarithm into other side of the equation, it will change the opposite form of the mathematical function. If you change the multiplication, it will change as division. If you change the addition, it will change as subtraction. So likewise, if you change the log, it will change as anti-logarithm. So the first question we have, if LGX equal 1.761, if LGX equal 1.761, find the value of x. Okay, right. We'll take the given data LGX equal 1.761. Remember this step. So if in this session we are going further and we are doing a question multiplication division using the logarithm table, while some examples I will discuss this step. So remember this step, LGX equal 1.761. Remember this step. Okay. If you want to find the x, you need to cancel the logarithm. If you want to find the x, you need to cancel the logarithm. So similarly, x squared equal 25. If you want to find the x, you need to cancel the power. So how do we cancel the power? We send the power other side of the equation. So x, it's subject. So if you pass the square to the other part of the equation, it will change the opposite sign, that is square root. Likewise, if you want to remove the logarithm from this particular unknown term, so you have to send the logarithm for the other part of the equation. So if you send the logarithm other part of the equation, we discussed earlier, so what will happen? So it will change as anti-logarithm. So x equal anti-log 1.761. So like the square root. Okay, if you change the logarithm into other part of the equation, it will change as anti-log 1.761. Okay, so now the value of x is from the anti-logarithm of the given number. So that is a simple work we done before it. So we need to find 761. So always we have 4-digit number, but in here we have only 3 digits. So what about the 4th digit? So we can add zeros for that. So if you don't have any numbers after the decimal place, after a decimal, so you can add zeros. So we have 4-digit number here. So the given number is 761. So if you put a 0, it will not change. The value is not changed. It's still 1.761. 1.761. So we need to find 7610. So 7610. So we have 7604. So we have 7610. We have 7604. We need 6 more. So we can take that. So 7604, it is on 57th row. So 5.7. And the column is 6th column. So we need a 6. 6 is on 8th mean difference. So 8 into 10 to the power 1. So the finally x will be 5.768 into 10, that is 57.68. The value of x is 57.68. This is how the anti-logarithm going to work. Okay, we'll go further and you can have the thorough knowledge of anti-logarithm. So likewise, you have another question, the same type of question, but the data given is in a different form. Same theory, same question, but the given data is on different form. So if logarithm of a to the base 10 is 0.7364, find the value of a. So if you change the way the data is given, you can understand the question. So logarithm of base 10, so you can change as LG. So LGA is equal to 0.7364. So now the questions are same. So if you need to find the A, you need to cancel the logarithm. So how do we cancel the logarithm? Send the logarithm other part of the equation. So A equal antilog 0.7364. So we need to find the antilogarithm of 7364. So if you go to 7364, exactly we have the number 7364 on 54th row. So 5.4 and the 5th column into 10 to the power 0. So, so the answer of A, the value of A is 5.45. So remember this step. Remember this step. So remember this step in the logarithm using question. Remember this step. I will remind you then, so you will have the knowledge of anti-logarithm on that question, inshallah.